Management of company cars is StreetFleet's expertise, so that it doesn't have to be yours. Managing company vehicle assets and financing business fleets can take a lot of time out of your daily calendar. Team this with matching company policy requirements and budget realities, I would much rather hand it over to the professionals.
With over 2 decades of experience and a team with excellent automotive knowledge, StreetFleet have the solutions you need to keep your vehicles on the road. Easy. StreetFleet clients love having a dedicated fleet consultant for all their vehicle needs, from maintenance to insurance, registrations and accident management. Your fleet consultant is on the road regularly to assist you face-to-face and has a wealth of industry experience to provide you with unbiased expertise and assistance. It's all so easy to track with 24/7 online access to your company vehicle details, so you can view and report on ongoing maintenance expenses, repair orders, fringe benefits tax, analysis and all the other important details you need.
If you are ready to free up your time and let the professionals take care of your fleet, have a chat to the team at StreetFleet. I promise you won't be disappointed.